Alright guys, so most of the time we go to our adventures, but this time friends have come to us. This is Jonathan.
They're so happy I'm here.
We're very happy. So of course you know Amy from our last adventure. So instead of traveling somewhere, we're gonna go ice skating today. So guys, always find adventure in your own backyard if you can. I haven't been on the ice in probably 2 years. You haven't been on the ice in 2 days? 2 days. And the boys? Yeah, they haven't been on the ice in... How long has it been since you've been skating?
Long time. I can feel it in my damn calves and my quads right now.
Alright guys, I don't know if you know this about me, but I actually grew up ice skating. It's been a good 10 years since I have competed, coached, any of that. So I'm pretty shaky today, but I'm having so much fun being back on the ice with everybody. So let's see what I have left in me.
Alright, go ahead. Still got it. I think she still got it. I think so.
Alright guys, want to see what it's like to go into a spin with me? We'll try this a couple different ways. Show me your moves.
I don't have no moves. Let's get yours.
Alright, let's try something.
Alright.
Well guys, it has clearly been a long time since I have done this. I have worn myself out, but I've had a blast. How you doing? Are we ready for the ice capades?
Oh yes we are. We are ready for the ice capades. That's a wrap. All right. Bye.